What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Tool Deals video, and today I got up all these tabs. We're going through them all, so let's get on with the show. First up, Acme Tools is not having a sale if you thought this was, even though they have this little dewalt Extreme 12 volt. It's a screwdriver because it doesn't have a chuck like a drill. It's more like a hex type of situation, like an impact driver, but it doesn't impact. So it's a screwdriver. So if you thought that this $99 was a deal, think again, because yeah, they intentionally put that battery in there, but it's definitely tool only. Why is the battery there? I don't know. Then they got another picture of a whole battery, but it's not included. So it's a little bit throwy offy, you know what I'm saying? But that's $99, but it's not a deal. Because if you come on over here to Lowe's, that same tool for $129, all right, an extra $30, you get not one, but two 2 amp hour batteries, two batteries, and a charger. All right. So if you saw that over at Acme Tools and thought, oh my gosh, that's a great deal, think again and get it from Lowe's. And you also have your Rakuten, which is unfortunately back down to $30. But if you use the link in the description, you'll still get the $30 if you're new, or you can at least get that 3% cash back if you've already gotten your bonus. Moving on. Going back to the Metabo HPT Buy More Save More, I did want to just highlight that their nailers and their nailer kits are also a part of that deal. So here we have, I know it's kind of dark, but I just want you guys to see that it's $239.97. All right, so keep that in mind, $239. All right, so here we have this 21-degree framing nailer. Now, you need to keep in mind that this is an 18-volt nailer. They have two. They have a 36 volt and an 18 volt. The 18 volt can take 18 volt batteries and 36 volt batteries. I just noticed that this thing comes with a 4 amp hour battery. I never seen a 4 amp hour battery that slim, especially from Metabo. That's new. That's new. I thought that was a 2 amp hour battery. Okay, all right, so it comes with the new 4 amp hour 18 volt battery. Again, I'm just literally live in living color figuring out this exists. The charger in a bag, but it's still 18 volts. But you can get this thing for $239 on a Buy More Save More, which is an incredible deal, actually, considering this is $369 for the kit and that 4 amp hour battery kind of changed my mind. So that's $239. Now, I'm about to show you something over at Toolbarn where you will get a framing nailer and this circular saw for $449. Here, if you get it from Lowe's on a Buy More Save More, you will pay $369. Now, the difference is, over here at Toolbarn, the difference is both of these tools are 36 volt. What does that mean for you? Generally, the 36 volt tools are a little more powerful, but the biggest thing is they take the adapter. So you can plug these into the wall or use battery. They're both hybrid tools, and you can run all day long. And Toolbarn has Barn Bucks. You can sign up for that. You get discounts there. They also have Rakuten. So you can get a coupon code for extra $10 off, making it $439. So now we're talking about a $70 difference. I don't know. I think I would probably spring for the extra $70 to have that option, you know, to be able to plug it into the wall. That's just me. I think I would go that route for a slightly more powerful tool as well. So moving on. Lowe's has updated their Cobalt offering, their Cobalt BOGO. I don't know that a lot of people noticed this. So the original deal was you get this charger, you get a 2 amp hour battery, and you get a 4 amp hour battery, and you get to choose from a free gift. Now the thing comes with a rapid charger, much bigger charger you see here with fans, and two 4 amp hour batteries for the same $149, and you get to choose from you know, a bunch of different Cobalt tools. So I wanted to let you guys know about that as well. Moving on, we had this Fisker's mill face steel hammer, and this came from the Facebook group. I forgot, let me give credit where credit is due. All right, so Patrick posted this deal in the Facebook group, and so I just wanted to show you guys that. This is it. Here it is. It's $8.17. I will leave the BrickSeek link to that in the description. I couldn't find it anywhere in any of the states and cities I've ever lived. So hopefully you have some better luck. Moving back on over to Toolbarn, they are having these save timber deals on the Metabo HPT. Obviously, forget this, buy more, save more. You got to spend $450 to save $75. You can go to Lowe's and spend $400 and save $150. So there you go with that. Then they do have this 209 bundle. This is not a bad deal right here. But here it is. If you add this rear handle circular saw, which used to be $229, it's $169 right now. And then they're throwing in a 4-amp-hour 36-volt battery with the charger. And this charger is great because it could charge your devices as well. Sans being plugged into the wall. So you can charge both the battery and your device at the same time. Or you can plug the battery into this and use this to charge your devices. Skill stuff is a little bit better because you just plug your stuff straight into the battery. But Metabo HPT is not there yet. But this is all 209. And this is supposed to be good for 48 hours. Moving on over to the Facebook group, David Elvicus posted this Hart 6-inch bench grinder, $21 at Walmart. If you can find it, I'll also leave the BrickSeek link for that. Moving on over to Tractor Supply, we have this T-Stack storage system, okay? So this is nowhere near the quality of a Tough system. These are just lightweight transportation devices for tools, for like smaller tools. It looks big. It's not big. All right. And it's not anywhere near the heavy duty of the, like I said, the Tough system. But it is $99 right now. In my mind, these always been like $89, $99. So don't run to buy this. So anyway, you do have that over at Tractor Supply, and you still do have your Rakuten. Moving on over to EcoFlow. This is the last day to get your Delta 2 with that bag for $6.99, brand new. All right, now the deals are back on eBay, but I did want to just let you know you could get this for $6.99. Now look, this is going to provide 1,800 watts of continuous power with surges up to 2,700 watts. So if you've been looking at portable generators, you should already kind of be familiar with the Delta 2, but you'll know that something that provides 1,800 watts continuous with a 1,024 watt hour capacity that can handle surges up to 2,700 watts for $6.99 is, you don't find that. You're not going to find that. And the Delta 2 has LiFePO battery. So keep that in mind. That's the Delta 2. So if you come on over here, it'll come, as long as you register, it'll still come with a 5-year warranty, and you'll get also a 2-year warranty through eBay, through Allstate. Okay, so you're getting extra security as far as warranty goes, especially for the first 2 years. And it still has a full-blown 5-year warranty for $559. I got mine yesterday. I bought it refurbished. I paid the same $559. And, I mean, this is actually, my unit was actually used. I don't think mine was refurbished. I think somebody just returned it, and they looked it out and saw that it was fine, and then they just packaged it back up and sent it to me because it was still, first of all, it was only charging at 200 watts, and I already knew, like, no, this thing can handle over 1,000 watts in. And yeah, it was already registered to somebody's name. It was a quick reset, hold the button down for a few seconds, reset it, now it's in my name. It was very easy to do. But keeping that in mind, I don't know how many times they've cycled this thing. It hasn't been out that long for them to wear down, you know what I'm saying, like 1,000 cycles or anything like that. But either way, I still do have the 5-year warranty. Or you can get it brand new for $6.99. Don't forget, though, if you do choose to get it from eBay, there's your Rakuten, pop right on up. You get 1% cash back. Or if you're new again, you'll get that $30 bonus when you purchase this. Now, the next thing I want to show you is that their Delta Pro, which is also has LiFePO batteries. Not their Delta, not the other just Delta Max or the Delta, the old ones. The Delta Pro uses LiFePO batteries, and this is only $1,839. If you know, you know, these are normally $3,700. Okay, $3,700 is $1,839 refurbished with a 5-year warranty, registered as soon as you get it with that extra 2-year warranty. I don't think we'll see prices like this again unless they come out with a new Delta 2 Pro, which I haven't heard anything about. So, you know, incredible deal here. Incredible deal. This is 3,600 watts out, and it's 3,600 watt hours capacity. Moving on to Direct Tools, and we're almost done. they're having a big sale over here. I'll just leave this page. You can go through it. But I picked out 2 little ones that are pretty good. I'm going to be doing a pruning chainsaw video comparison coming up soon. And I'm just going to tell you now, this is a whole kit because the battery is built in. So it has a 2.5 amp hour built-in battery. Obviously, it's 12 volts. And you're not going to find anything. It comes with the charger, obviously. You're not going to find anything this cheap. $61.99. Keep in mind there is a flat rate shipping price of $15. And this is oilless. You don't need any. It's oil free. So obviously it's going to be brushed, but it's oil free. And yeah, that's quite tempting. And nothing else is going to be nearly this cheap. Tool only. Okay. So if you have some little branch you need to prune, I would probably try my hand. I don't know. Moving on. This Ryobi clamp fan. So I love this thing. It's $14.99. Again, $15 shipping makes this stupid to buy by yourself. If you're going to get both of these, then that's not too bad. And finally, just here at Home Depot, I wanted to show you that that clamp fan is normally $25. So anyway, I messed up again and didn't ask for a like or a subscription in the beginning, but I wanted to get you guys the deals. If you got any value from it, please consider please like the video and consider subscribing, turn on notification bell so you don't miss any other deals. If I've helped you save some money today or in the past, consider leaving me a tip via Cash App in the description. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.